16 probably.
15, 16. Oh, well.
It is.
You think I found anything? You know?
Oh, oh, maybe it is. That's.
Way too big.
Yeah,
That's 15. You got it? Okay.
that's the right size.
15, 16.
What's that? 1 and 8.
15, 17.
1 and 8.
This is 15, 16.
1 inch. God. Here. The bucket.
You can't put the bucket. Oh, yeah. Which way is tidy?
It's tight.
A little bit loose.
Yeah. If you go like this on an angle.
It's hitting the ram.
Oh, God.
If I turn like this, if you look, they say it'll be cut in half. It'll be perfect, but you can't. I use this every.
It's not as thick a wrench. See where my. Oh.
I'm not gonna let you guys sit there being much. You need another flat washer for this.
The creeper's back there.
Hey. Oh wait.
I think so. I don't.
Cause you see. I have to tell you, cause now I heard your phone ring.
I'll.
Next thing is a green plate. I got that green plate in already.
Well,
I can hold it there.
just wait. We got a bolt for it.
What's over there first?
I want a black washer.
That's it.
That?
This is not natural. That's from here.
That's on the pail behind.
You need that?
Right there. Yeah. What's that?
I'm done with this light. Oh, here. Now I'm gonna try to put this back in. You got that green, you got this underneath green and under this. right here.
Yeah, I know.
Do you think, can you think you put some silicone? Where did my lens go? Oh, it's up
Huh?
right here.
Oh, I put them up there.
Wait, you know how I found a leak? You know how I found a leak? This thing is fuel this thing is right over to the brim. For work, because it's already greased up. So I'll see you guys keys because those batteries dead and that one is about dead, so I gotta have to get to the truck keys. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I put a new shocks. Now I don't have to worry about clutch mat. It's real easy. Oh, see, my door can stay open, see?
Yeah. We'll have to watch.
Just
that.
make sure you guys look
I
at
like
big.
the new ones. The new ones are all closed.
I like the new ones are all closed. 3 corners lock. Like a loop.
Yes, that's correct.
So this regular screwdriver like this. And for the picture too.
Huh?
She saved the picture.
Yeah.
So JCB, will you pay for this machine? And he said the Bobcat, right? So they say we'll give you a new one. We'll trade in. He said, I'm not gonna even trade in. So can't even see it. So I gotta do the other side the same thing. Use it for riping too. I'm gonna start the Bobcat off, lift the boom off.
Okay. Camera's locked.
I can't. Two more and we're done. Just wait here. You know, grease already. It down.